This module gives advice on how to operate your eLearn device, from installing and updating apps to changing security settings and sending emails. To add apps to your device, you need to use the Google Play Store app. This lets you browse and search for apps as well as update them to the latest version. This is vital to keep your device safe and trouble-free. The Play Store icon should be on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open the app. You need to be connected to the internet to use it. For further information, please view the Sync and Update tutorial. The Play Store is divided into different sections. At the top is the search bar, where you can search for apps and access the options menu. Below this is the apps category list. Tap each heading to view the apps within that category. Underneath is Google's recommended app listings. Swipe down the screen to view each recommendation. You can also swipe each list to the left or right to view the full offerings. At the bottom is a list of the main app types: games, apps, movies, and TV and books. Please consult your team's terms and conditions before installing any new apps. Tapping the search control at the top of the screen will open the search screen. A list of your previous searches will appear, and you can type a new search using the virtual keyboard. Tap this button to begin the search. A list of search results will appear. Scroll down the screen by swiping, then tap on an app icon or name to continue. The App Details screen provides information about the app, including the developer name, what's new in the latest version, and user feedback. For apps that already exist on your device, the green button will display Open. If the app needs to update to the latest version, the button will display Update. If you have never installed the app, the button will display Install. Please note that installing and updating apps takes time and uses between 5 and 50 megabytes of data for each app. You will be notified of the download progress from the notification section on the top options panel covered earlier. When completed, the button will change to Open, and you can tap it to open the newly installed app. When the new app installs, its icon will be added to your home screen. Your device has several home screens to display all your apps. To switch between home screens, simply swipe to the side. Your Android device gives you access to settings to better control security and change how the system operates. You can open the Settings app from your home screen. The icon looks like a cog or a gear. The Settings app varies on each version of Android, but each has a similar list of options. You can scroll through the list by swiping up and down. To change the security settings, tap on Security and Location or an option with a similar name. When your device is idle or switches on, the screen lock appears. Usually you can swipe it away, but you can add security measures to stop unauthorized usage. This means if your device is lost or stolen, the person would need to know your password or PIN code to open it. Tap the screen lock icon to view these security options and select the one you want. You can send and receive emails on your device using the Gmail app. The Gmail or Google Mail app provides an inbox for you to receive and store emails. Tap the three lines icon to view your inboxes and labels. Gmail automatically sorts incoming emails into three groups: primary, social, and promotions. Tap on each to view the emails on the right of the screen. To hide the list, tap the three lines icon again. To open an email, tap on its subject heading. To create a new email, tap the plus icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the To text control and enter the email address you wish to send to. Make sure it is exact, with no spaces or incorrect letters. Then tap the subject and enter a brief summary title. Tap on the main email body and compose your message. When you're ready, tap the Send button at the top right. You need to be connected to the internet in order to send and receive emails. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.